In this video tutorial, we will explain how to print a WhatsApp chat easily and quickly using the WhatsApp to PDF by Save the Proof tool. Let's get started. To get started, log into your Save the Proof account or create one if you don't already have it. Once you're in, go to the WhatsApp to PDF option available in the menu on the left side of the screen. Next, from the mobile device where you have the chat you want to print, add Save the Proof to your contacts using the number displayed on the screen. To add us as a contact, open WhatsApp, click on the Add icon, choose the New Contact option, and enter the details, name and phone number, then click Save. Once Save the Proof has been added to your WhatsApp contacts, you can start the process by clicking the Generate Code to Start Export button. After generating the code, it will appear on your screen. It is a unique numeric code consisting of 2 blocks of 4 digits separated by a hyphen. Send this code, including the hyphen, via WhatsApp to our Save the Proof number and wait for further instructions on the website. Once the code has been validated, you will see instructions on the screen on how to export the chat you want to print to PDF. First, open the chat you want to export in WhatsApp on your mobile. Make sure the messages you want to export, especially videos, images, and audios, are available. To ensure they will be exported correctly, review them on your mobile device. If your operating system is iOS, click directly on the contact's name. If your operating system is Android, click on the menu indicated by 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select the Export Chat option from the menu. At this step, you can choose whether to include multimedia files, audios, videos, etc. in the export. Choose the WhatsApp icon to share the chat and select the Save the Proof contact again to send the export. At this point, the chat export to our system begins. The process of receiving and uploading the export to Save the Proof may take several minutes depending on the size of the chat. Once the chat is uploaded, you can select the date range of the messages you want to export. Additionally, you must select your WhatsApp username using the Who Are You drop-down menu. Once the information is complete, click the Continue button. At this stage, it is important to note that the system allows a maximum of 1,000 messages per PDF. If your chat exceeds this limit, you will need to repeat the process by selecting smaller date ranges until all the chat messages are exported, resulting in 1 PDF for each batch of messages. This is the final step. Once you see this screen, simply click the Export WhatsApp to PDF button and wait for the PDF document to be generated. The process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the chat. Once generated, you can download it by clicking Download. The downloaded PDF will be available in your device's Downloads folder. Now you have your WhatsApp chat in PDF format ready to print or share with anyone you want. To wrap up this video tutorial, we've prepared an example to show you the final result. This is how a WhatsApp chat looks in PDF with Save the Proof. As you can see, the format is very similar to what you'd find in the WhatsApp application. It is important to note that Save the Proof cannot guarantee that the chat content has not been tampered with by the person exporting it from the mobile device. The purpose of this tool is solely to enhance the readability of exported WhatsApp chats. If you need to legally certify WhatsApp conversations with full validity, we recommend contacting a digital forensics expert who will perform the export directly from your device physically. Thank you for using WhatsApp to PDF service, and we look forward to seeing you at savetheproof.com.